Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, back to my channel. In this video, I want to give some valuable lesson that we can take from the story of one of the companions of the Prophet Muhammad, namely Umar bin Khattab. Born in a pagan family that has not converted to Islam, Umar is famous for his firmness and is also a warrior and also not a war man. From childhood, Umar has been taught how to shoot archery. But when Umar grew up, he was famous for being a hard person who always resisted the Prophet call to Islam. Umar hated Islam so much that the other companions took Umar would not enter Islam because of his hardness. But Umar was able to convert to Islam because of Prophet Muhammad's prayer to Allah. And Umar bin Khattab, the second caliph of Islam, was a remarkable leader known for his wisdom, justice, and humility. His life provides countless lessons that continues to inspire people around the world. Here are some of the most valuable lessons we can learn from him. The first is justice for all. Umar bin Khattab was a staunch advocate for justice regardless of person status, religion, or background. He ensured that everyone was treated fairly under his leadership. His famous statement, even if a dog were to die on the banks of the Euphrates of neglect, I fear that Allah would hold me accountable, show his sense of responsibility toward a living beings. Second is humility in leadership. Despite being one of the most powerful leaders of his time, Umar remained humble. He often walked among the people in discourse to understand their needs and ensure their well-being totally justly. This humility made him deeply respected and loved by his people. And the third is accountability. Umar believed that leader is accountable to their people and humility to Allah. He have known to say, fear Allah your treatment of people, and fear people in your obedience to Allah. This sense of accountability made him a truly and effectively a leader. The fourth is empathy for the poor. Umar had a profound understanding of the struggles of the poor. On one occasion, he carried sacks of food on his back to help a needy family, saying, I would be ashamed if Allah asked me why I neglected them. This action reminds us to care for those in need and to use our position of privilege to uplift others. The fifth is dedicated to knowledge. Umar valued knowledge and education, encouraging others to seek knowledge as a means of strengthening their faith and improving their life. He once said, teach yourself, teach your children, and teach others. The sixth is courage and strength in decision making. Umar was never afraid to make tough decisions for the betterment of his people and the Islamic State. His courage and decisiveness ensured the stability and growth of the community under his rule. 7. Patience and perseverance. Life as a leader was met with a challenge, but Umar's patience and reliance on Allah helped him face difficult with unwavering faith. The legacy of Umar bin Khattab teaches us that true leadership comes from serving others, upholding justice, and staying connected to Allah. His life serves as an excellent model for anyone seeking to lead with integrity and compassion. By following his example, you can strive to be better individuals and create a more just and harmonious society. And that's all about Umar bin Khattab, lesson that we can take, the good lesson from Umar's life. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.